Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to set up and install a Ring stick-up cam. So we got our Ring stick-up cam here that we're going to set up. This is a battery-powered Wi-Fi camera, which means there's no wiring you needed at all for this, and this can go both indoors and outdoors, and it's just got a standard rechargeable Ring battery here, just like the Ring doorbells that use a battery. So in order to get this set up, you're going to need to download the Ring app. So we've got the Ring app open over here, and all we're going to do is click in the upper left-hand corner on the menu button, and then we're going to go ahead and select set up a device right here in the menu. And now we've got a couple different options. We are setting up a security cam, so we're going to click that option there. Now, typically there's a QR code on the back of these devices, but there is also usually a QR code that comes inside of the Ring packaging. So on the sheet that looks like this, there is a QR code on the back of this. So we're just going to go ahead and scan that QR code using our phone. So we're going to do that off camera, can't show you the QR code. And now we've got our device scanned, and this is the next screen that pops up here. So now we're going to go ahead and click continue. It says set up a device. Are you installing this stick-up cam indoors or outdoors? We are going to install this outdoors eventually, so let's go ahead and click outdoors. And it says give your stick-up cam a name. So we've got garden, front, side, or custom. I'm just going to call this one, let's call it side. We'll put it outside on the side yard. And then it says how will you power your stick-up cam? Now, what is nice is that this stick-up cam does have the option, if you want to hardwire it with a plug-in power adapter, you can do that, but we're just going to go ahead and use the battery pack. Now, it's a good idea to charge this up before you get this set up and installed. So it takes usually about an hour or two to get this charged up 100%, but you could get it set up, then play around with a little bit, then charge the battery up for a longer period of time. But you want to give it about an hour or two to get fully charged. We're going to go ahead and click on battery down here. It says we recommend fully charging the included battery now. I already charged this a little bit, so we're going to go ahead and just insert the battery into the bottom of the stick-up cam. Now, to insert the battery, all we're going to do is turn this around, and you can see on the back here we've got an unlock and a lock symbol. So all we do is twist the base to the unlock, and then we're going to pull this out of the bottom here, and then you can just insert the battery right into the bottom of the Ring stick-up cam. So we're going to take our battery right here, and it's going to go this direction. So you want to have this little metal piece sticking out here at the bottom, because that's kind of what holds it in place. It snaps in place, and if you ever need to take this back out of the Ring stick-up cam, you just pull it out right there. You press in this little button, and you're going to be able to pull it out. So we're going to insert that, and now what we're going to do is go ahead. We're going to put that base back on. So we put it in the unlock position. We slide it over to the lock position. Make sure you get it all the way locked in there. Sometimes it takes a little force.
Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
And you can hear that this did power up. You can see the little light, and you might have heard on camera that it said welcome to Ring. Continue in the app. So we're going to go ahead and click on stick-up cam is on, and now it's going to say, it says insert the battery and wait 30 seconds. Okay, we're going to click stick-up cam is on. The light is flashing blue, so we're just going to click on that. And now it says tap connect on the following screen. We're going to click got it here, and then this will pop up down here, and we're just going to click connect to that once it pops up. All right, now our stick-up cam popped up here, the battery-powered stick-up cam. So we're going to click on Ring Setup right here, and it's going to start connecting. It says connecting to your stick-up cam. Now it says select the Wi-Fi network your stick-up cam should use. So we're going to go ahead and select this here at the top, and we're just going to go ahead and enter our password. All right, we enter our password and go ahead and click continue.
Stick-up cam is connecting to the internet. Just a moment. Rome wasn't built in a day.
All right, so we are connecting this, and pretty soon
Your
here.
stick-up cam is ready to use. With Ring, you're always home.
All right, so you probably heard that talking.
Stick-up cam is installing an update. When the light stops flashing, it's ready to use.
All right, so you probably heard the Ring stick-up cam talking to us. It even interrupted the video there, so come on, Ring. But that is a good way to know that it is going to continue to work and that it is continuing the setup process. So we're going to go ahead and click continue here. Now it's going to have a setup process or a update process typically if this has been in the box for a while. So we're going to go ahead and click continue and see what happens here. It says start tutorial for a physical installation. Very easy to install this. It does have a little mounting piece there on the bottom if you want to use that bracket, or you can just set it wherever you want, which is really nice with this Ring stick-up cam. So we're going to go ahead and click I've already installed it here. We're going to skip for now. We're going to skip add link devices. It says let's optimize motion. Here what you can do is choose different motion detection zones. With the advanced motion zones, you can pick specific zones that you want motion to be detected in or alert you when motion is detected. For right now, we're going to go ahead and say skip for now. You can always go back and adjust your motion sensitivity once you've got this all set up. Here it says adjust the motion sensitivity, so you can have it more sensitive or less sensitive. We're going to go ahead and you can see you can slide this back and forth. We're going to leave it right in the middle and click continue. Here it says how often should this device check for motion. You've got frequently, regularly, or periodically. I like to leave it on just regularly. Frequently, you're going to run down the battery a lot quicker, and periodically, you may not get as many motion alerts, or maybe it could miss something. So we're going to go ahead and click continue here. It says, would you like to customize your motion zones? We're going to go ahead and click continue. We don't want to do that at this point. And now we're going to click continue again. It says privacy features. We'll ask you a couple questions to adjust privacy. We're going to go ahead and just skip this for now and get it set up. You can change any of these settings at any time. Just like it says here, you go up to the menu on the upper left and change around what you want for this specific camera. I'm going to go ahead and click I'm done. And now let's go ahead, let's take a look and see if this popped up. So let's click on it right here. It's this one right here. And let's go ahead, click tap to go live and see if we can't see what's going on there. You can see my hand right in front of the device, so that's working. You can also speak if you want to. You could hear what's going on if you want to. It's got a speaker in it, and it also has a microphone, so I can talk to this, and now you can even hear it talking to us right here. So we're going to go ahead and put that down. You can put it wherever you want. The clarity on this is actually really good for a battery-powered camera. And what is really nice about this is if you want the optional hardwire, you can just pull out this plug here at the top. It's got a little power adapter port there you could plug in if you want to have it 100% powered up and you don't want to have to worry about the battery charger. And then the bottom port is if you want to mount it on a screw style mount. You've got this mount right here, so you could go ahead and mount it there. But overall, I really do like the video footage of this camera. I like that it's compact. I like that you can put it indoors or outdoors, so really a lot of versatility there. I like that it has good resolution and that it is battery powered, or you can use it as a hardwired camera. So this one camera serves a lot of different purposes. And then once it detects motion, it's going to record that footage here on the app, and you're going to be able to review it at whatever point in the future. And you can see it's pretty responsive. So there's not much of a lag between me wiggling my fingers here and what you're going to see on camera. And it really does have high quality video footage. It is 1080 HD video footage, and the sensor is pretty good on it. I actually think this sensor on the stick-up cam is a lot better than some of the doorbell video sensors. And I don't know if that's just because there's more room in here so they can put a better sensor in here, or because it's got just a different format, but it is a really nice video footage and very clear here for both day and nighttime applications. So I hope you enjoyed this video on how to set up your Ring stick-up camera. If you want to go back through, you can change any of those settings. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead, give us that thumbs up, subscribe, or click any of the links below. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.